In this video we are going to show you how to remove the display monitor from Mazda 3 2015, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this yellow dashboard removal tool and the size 10mm socket. We already made everything loose. This is just for the demo only. So the first step, you pop up this air conditioning vent along with the bezel and the dashboard. And these are the location of the clips that so when you apply your dashboard removal tool, insert it close to this clip so it would come out easily, and it doesn't has only one plug. You can just unplug it, and then once you put this away, and then you can see that the 10mm bolt all the way in the back close to the air conditioning vent. Once you get that bolt out, and then you can remove the whole display monitor completely with the housing. And these are the connector in the back which you need to remove. Yeah, the most common problem with this monitor, it becomes dead. In that case, usually there is a module behind the monitor goes bad, which that one needs to be repaired or replaced. Or another symptom, which is common also, the unit just starts on its own, jumping from AM to FM or to different sources, and does erratic movement. So the problem is usually the touch screen is bad. It's causing this erratic movement, and is intermittent and is not consistent. And if you need any repair for the monitor or the module behind it, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.